Today I'm gonna teach you question number 3. Find dy by dx of the parametric function. We can see that this is a parametric function and this is the parametric function. If theta is involved, it means that function is a parametric function and we want to find the value of dy by dx. So this is our main question, and how to solve it. First of all, we call this equation as equation 1 and we name this equation as equation 2. Now we can see that in the right side variable is theta, so we will differentiate with respect to theta. Dx by d theta, d theta by d theta, and theta plus d by d theta and theta. Theta is in the denominator. When we will bring it in the numerator, positive theta becomes negative theta. Power of theta becomes negative. Now we will differentiate. When we differentiate theta with respect to theta, what it gives? 1 plus, here we apply power according to power rule, but it gives n is minus 1, x is theta, n minus 1, n is minus 1. So 1 minus plus minus 1 and minus 1, there is no need to write minus 1. Theta minus 1 minus 2 becomes minus plus 1 plus 1 2 sine minus. So 1 minus theta minus 2. When come in the denominator, when we take in the denominator, theta raised to power minus 2 becomes positive 2. Now we will take LCM. Theta square, when we will divide theta square divided by 1, what it gives? Theta square. Minus theta square divided by theta square, what it gives? 1. Denominator is divided by denominator and the answer gives is multiplied by numerator. So our dx by d theta becomes theta square minus 1 divided by theta square. Now we will differentiate equation 2. We will differentiate with respect to theta because in the right side variable is theta. So we will differentiate with respect to theta. So dy by d theta is equal to d by d theta plus d by d theta 1. Derivative of theta with respect to theta is 1 plus derivative of any constant is 0. So dy by d theta is equal to 1. Now we will apply chain rule by using chain rule. Dy by dx. Why we apply chain rule? Because we want to find the value of dy by dx. Find the value of dy by dx. So how to find dy by dx? We are using chain rule. Dy by d theta dot d theta by dx. So dy by d theta answer is 1. So we write 1 dot. This is dx by d theta. When we invert, what it gives? Theta square divided by theta square minus 1. So dy by d theta is equal to theta square divided by theta square minus 1, which is our required solution.